This is so epic. It's how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android 2026. So let me open it up and show you guys how it works. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So this is super cool. So let me just join a game just so you guys can see it actually works. But yes, it's super cool. So look at this, guys. The Delta Executor is fully working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So this is super wild. So as you can see, we got the full settings thing. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it onto your device. So as you can see, we got all the options. So if you want to download it, guys, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So as you can see, we got all the settings here. So this is super cool. So yeah, I'm going to show you all the options, how to get it. So let's get into the tutorial. So this is super cool, guys. No jailbreak or anything like that. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to download it. So the first thing is we need to go to the website blockszy.com. So once you're on this site, guys, there's going to be a button that says Get Delta. So you just want to press on that. And you can see this has 2.4 million downloads, which is pretty cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on it right here. So yeah, this is super cool. So we just have to enter our username. So let me just go ahead and put it in right here. So yeah, I'm just going to type it in. All right. And then it's just going to load. All right, I'm going to press yes. And let's see if it loads up. So it's just going to say, do you want to import it? So let me just go ahead and do that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and press continue. And it says select the script. So just pick whichever script you want and then press continue. And as you can see, it says API connecting. So I'm just going to wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, let's just wait for this to load. So this is super crazy, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself, get the word out. So as you can see, it says I'm not a robot, so I'm just going to go ahead and press that. And it's just going to say like verified or whatever. So it's super cool. So yeah, be sure to try it out. You can see it says you already have Delta installed. So yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. This is super wild, guys. So as you can see, we got it fully working. We got all the settings here, so it's actually working, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. Look at that, fully updated. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share. I'm seeing you in another one. But yeah, try it out for yourself. You can see all the settings. So this is super wild. There's no computer involved or anything like that, so you should be good to go. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, try it out for yourself. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So this is super wild. So that's so cool, guys. So look at this. It actually works for your device. So peace out.